Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. For those of you that are new, my name is Maggie and welcome. So today I'm going to share with you how I like to make my buffalo chicken enchiladas. These I absolutely love. I actually only make these in like the fall and winter months. I don't know why. They just kind of remind me of fall and winter. I have no idea. I know that makes no sense, but really I hardly ever make these in the spring and summer. So today I really wanted to share this recipe with you. It's easy. It's delicious, and absolutely, it's easy. So that's all we need. All right, if you want to see how they come together, make sure you continue to watch. Alrighty, so for this you're gonna need some shredded chicken. I'm using chicken breast and chicken thighs. Some chunky blue cheese dressing. It doesn't have to be chunky. I'm using chunky. Some cream cheese softened at room temperature. You're gonna need some tortillas. I'm using flour tortillas, that's my favorite. Some pepper, some salt. You're gonna need some hot sauce. In here I just have some ground ginger and marjoram. I'm using mozzarella cheese for this. You can use sharp cheddar, but I find mozzarella is a lot better. Some scallions and then some enchilada sauce. You're also gonna preheat your oven to 400 degrees and you're gonna need a baking dish. Alright, so I know that this looks like it's a lot, but really it's not that bad. So into my cream cheese, I'm going to add in my marjoram and my ground ginger. I'm going to do a generous pinching of salt and then some black pepper. And I know you're thinking, why the black pepper? You're already having hot sauce. Black pepper and hot sauce, a little bit different. Black pepper gives you a little bit of a different kick. So I'm just going to combine these with my softened cream cheese, and then I'll meet you here in a second. Alrighty, this is nicely mixed in. Don't worry if you have chunks in here. Once the cream cheese cooks, it's gonna get nice and just gooey and beautiful. So don't worry about that. To me, that's not important. If you want it to be really smooth, you can take an electric mixer to it. To me, that really doesn't bother me. I'm gonna do about, I don't know, a couple tablespoons of scallions. And then I'm gonna add in my chicken. Ooh, this looks so good. I have about 2 cups here that I separated. And then to me, I cannot do this without some mozz. I might need more for the topping, but who knows. All right, I'm gonna mix this all together and then I'll meet you here so we can start assembling our enchiladas. Alright, so I made my filling. It looks wonderful. It smells really spicy, but I think I can handle it. So into my baking dish, I put a layer of my enchilada sauce. I actually leave this on the stove while I'm like preheating the oven, and it gets nice and like lukewarm, which is lovely. So now we are going to start assembling our enchiladas, and we are going to start putting them into our baking dish. Alright, so what you're going to do is take your enchilada. You can also preheat these, like you can put them over your stove, literally just over the burner, and it makes them really really charred and like gorgeous. I'm actually skipping this step today because I'm lazy. No other excuse. Alright, so a couple tablespoons of your filling, and then all you're gonna do is roll it just like so. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna place it rolled side down just like that, and you're gonna continue to do this until you're all set. Alrighty, look at my tortillas. Okay, these look fantastic. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the remainder of my enchilada sauce. I'm just going to pour it all over these. Alright, and finally the remaining mozzarella, I'm just going to sprinkle all over the top. And I'm going to put these into my preheated oven for about, I would say 18 to 20 minutes, or until like the cheese is nicely melted and gooey and bubbly. And then you are going to top it with your blue cheese dressing. If you choose, you don't have to, but this girl's definitely gonna, because I already could smell the kick in these. So I hope you guys enjoy these. Please, please, please let me know what else you would like to see, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.